Yearning for comfort and clarity is innately human and evolves daily. And for me, I investigate my comforts in space through textiles and its tactility. Materiality. Choosing fabrics that have significance to personal narratives plays a big part in allowing me to approach my practice with intimacy and honesty. There's something about doing things repeatedly in a movement-driven, tangible process. New meanings and revelations emerge as your being is fully engaged. From eyes, mind, and hands. As a result, my works are often layered with emotion and an essence of thinking out loud. That's the thing about details of a process, you see. They all add up somehow, for you to take away what you need, just as it does for me. Seek out the details that matter.